This thrush breeding pair built a nest on top of a floodlight under a bay window, providing protection from rain and at the same time having the luxury of underfloor heating for the nest. Nest hygiene is done by removing fecal sacs from the chicks and disposing or regurgitating the sacs several meters away under another tree. This is possibly done to mislead possible nest predators. Note the spreading of the wings at the end before the first flights took place.